What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be unboxing this Nissan Silvia S15 for my Fast and Furious Premium set. And by Fast and Furious Premium set, if you guys didn't already know, I'm collecting all of these Fast and Furious Premiums that are popular. I don't just mean every single premium Fast and Furious under the sun, because there's a ton of them. I'm only talking about the ones that are super popular from the show, the ones that are going to be the most expensive and the coolest. And today that brings us to this Nissan Silvia S15. So if you guys didn't already know, this is out in stores right now. You guys can find it right now, and it is movie accurate, so you don't have to worry about buying one that's more expensive on eBay. Let's get right into it. Unless you want one that's like a first edition one, then is when you're going to be paying a little bit more money. But since that they released this car literally a couple days ago, it'll be great for you guys not needing to go out on eBay and buy one. And I say, if you guys find some of these, you probably should pick one up to leave in the box. But obviously, for me, not worth it in the box. Here it is, and wow, this is even cooler than I expected it to be. Now, I am going to be updating my lighting system, but we will put it on the turntable in a light box. So you guys will get a really good close-up view with high lighting. But this thing is just absolutely amazing. I'm super happy to collect this one and have it in our collection of our, premium Fast and Furious ones that are more popular. So for an example, like these, they're not kind of the main cars that you see really, but they are definitely some of the, more popular ones out of all of the billions of cars that Fast and Furious has. But yeah, it is really awesome to see that we're building this Fast and Furious collection here. And I'm really happy to have this S15. This is one of my favorite ones from the shows. So let's get it on the turntable. I'm super happy Hot Wheels chose to go with chrome rims for this. Quite obviously, makes it look accurate. And I think that the color pattern that they used on this is just absolutely perfect. Matches it perfectly. It looks so good through the camera. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this. And stay tuned, because now we're going to be releasing the premium Fast and Furious set, where we're going to just go through all the most famous and most expensive ones, and also the first releases, because those are some of the only movie accurate ones. And we're going to be unboxing them for you guys so you could see them out of the box in all of its glory. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this, please hit the like. And I will be unboxing these soon, so stay tuned. And if you guys have any more questions about these Fast and Furious Premiums, comment down below. Keep collecting, and I will see you in the next one.